Yeah, I wanted to talk to you about daisies over there, but it was so noisy with the helicopter going around. I couldn't tell you about daisies. The beauty about these plants is that they comes in different colors. You have white and pink and purple and yellow and red. They tend to grow up to 1 to 2 feet tall and about 1 to 2 feet wide. And they return every springtime and they last until fall. That's so nice about these plants. They are mostly outdoor in plant. So lilies originated from South Africa. Can you say originated? That means that they were born in South Africa. That's a very far away, another continent than America. Voilà, c'est bon. Non, je vais parler. Tu veux filmer maintenant? Non. Non, Guigui, d'abord moi. Non. As I was taking a long walk today, I saw some beautiful plants and I said to myself, wait a minute, I have to share that with my beautiful butterfly friends. So, as you noticed, these are lilies. These are white lilies. And as you notice, they have beautiful green leaves. Look how gorgeous these flowers are. They come in different colors. And I'm sure you've seen them in bouquets of flowers. You know, when your family buys bouquets of flowers, they always have lilies inside. And they come in pink, in red, in purple, in white, gold, believe it or not, and orange. And anyway, my favorite ones are the white ones. As you can see, they have a long stem. They have stems that can grow up to 3 feet tall. So, and the beauty about lilies is that they grow all year long. So they need very low maintenance, which means that they don't need that much water to grow. So a little bit of sun and that's it. And they grow all year long. I couldn't wait to show you this house. It's a great house and it's got all sorts of trees. As you can see there, it's a kumquat fruit. Oh. And then you have a barley tree over there. Barley tree. Here's an avocado tree. This is a grape tree, I think. Grapes over there with grapes. Here you have persimmon tree, a mandarin tree, a banana tree over there. Is that beautiful? That's rare. An almond tree. Right here, beautiful. Look how beautiful the almond tree is. The leaves are so dark green. And you have a rava tree. An olive tree. Just behind the olive tree, you have a nectarine tree, which is gorgeous. And a pomegranate tree. Anyway, you have all the fruits for all the Jewish holidays, I guess. And a fig tree. And etrog. The etrog. As a matter of fact, you have a big hedgehog over there on the tree, all the way on the top there. And you have one green one that's not ripe already. And here, this is beautiful. I don't know what this tree is called, but you've got all pacifiers. That means that all the neighbors that had babies, they came and they hang all the pacifiers of the children in the tree. So you can see all colors of pacifier. Look at how cute that is. That's so much fun. Isn't that cute? Look at that. And you have an apricot tree just behind this. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed that, all those trees. I love it. Every time I come by, I really enjoy this area right here. So I just hope that you enjoyed this walk with me. And anyway, so I'll give you a big kiss and I'll see you again. Hello, my beautiful butterfly friends. Yesterday was a beautiful day, so I took a long walk in my neighborhood and I saw some beautiful plants and flowers as I was crossing some homes outside their homes, and it was so beautiful. And I thought to myself, wow, I gotta share this with my beautiful butterfly friends. So I made a video for you and I talked to you about 3 plants that I saw, which are also flowers. So I took a video of daisies, poppies, lilies. I think that's about it, yeah, because I couldn't take pictures of everything. I saw some roses, some beautiful plants. Anyway, so I decided when I came home, I decided to give you like a little activity, like a daisy. And you've got the stem right here, the leaves, because the leaves of the daisies are very long and thin, and they have a lot of leaves. So, and they're very, very green. And this is a daisy. I hope you like it. And it's so easy to make. And we're gonna try it together, okay? So maybe with the help of mom or your siblings or dad, you can make it yourself at home. It's very easy. So I'll show you, okay? I chose daisy because it was easier than the other flowers. So you don't need any ruler, you don't need nothing. You just need a pair of scissors, some glue, and this to make the floret, this is called the floret, which is the center of the flower. So, like I said, you can use any paper you want because daisies come in multiple variety of colors. So here it is. So I'm going to try to show you. First, I did my circle. Where is my pencil? Here it is. So I did a circle I go like this. Oops, sorry. So you see it's easy. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut. I know you can cut because we did use the scissors. We practiced in class many times with scissors, and I know most of you know how to cut, and especially know how to cut circles. So you just have to use this hand to turn, and you turn the paper with the other hand and the scissors with the other hand. So you made a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect because flowers are not all perfect. So I put the circle right here on my paper, and then I cut some of this oval paper, and it was so easy. Look, I took a piece of yellow paper and I just cut like an oval shape petal. That's it. So you see the shape? It's oval. I used a glue stick, and then I did this. Put some glue on each side, and I glue it like this. That's the back of the thing. So I took another one, and I hope you can see really well what I'm doing. Can you see? All right, let me know if you cannot see anything. I'll do it again, I don't mind. So you see, I'm doing the back of the floret because I'm going to turn it. Okay, so like this, you see, it's really pretty. It shows already some petals. So you see, it's oval, and it doesn't have to be perfect when you cut it. You can cut it any shape you want, as long as it looks like a flower. So that's what I did. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And you know what? You can even use different colors. You can use green, red, pink, different type of petals. Okay. I know you're going to enjoy this, especially if you have a little help. That might be so much fun. And here you are. Ta-da! Whoops. Whoops. Oh, it glued there. Okay, I'm just taking it out. I just put some glue by accident on my paper, but here it is. You see? I glued all the edges, and then I'm going to glue it right here. I put the glue in the back of my floret, and then glue it right here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Now, I just cut a stem, just like that with the scissors. You see, just cut any piece of paper, just like that. Long, short, whatever you want. Use the glue again. And put the stem right here. Hey, isn't that, look. That's called the stem. That's what holds the thing. And then I cut some of the leaves, any shape you like. You see? I just did like a little moon circle. Look at that. I took the scissors and I just did any circle that I want, like this. You can go around like this. I just glued some leaves on. Remember, the leaves can be any shape. So, like I said, look at that. I'm still cutting half a circle. You just have to glue it, just like that, and put as many leaves as you like, just like this. And that's it. I'm sure you'll enjoy doing this. So thank you for participating, and I can't wait to see all the flowers you're gonna make. So hey, maybe you can make one for Mother's Day too. So I give you a big kiss, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Have a good weekend. Bye.